imbalances often arise when we try to live in a linear way, which our bodies are simply just not built for. The female hormonal system is very different to the male hormonal system. And so imbalances often arise when we try to live in a linear way, which our bodies are simply just not built for. And so what we're looking at here, I want to show you this chart on the side of your screen here. We've got the male hormone system. So every day, 24-hour clock, testosterone peaks in the morning and then slowly diminishes through the day. So like good time to speak to your husband and get him to get his tasks done early on in the day when he's peaking in testosterone. Then as he gets through his day, we're gentler on him. By the evening, he just needs to zone out, and he's not really good for much in the evenings. And that happens every single day. It's the same, this very neat little arch that we have there. And then we look at the female hormonal cycle, and you can see it's a lot more dynamic. The follicular phase, day 0 of her period, first day of her period, these first 5 days, we don't have much of anything, much estrogen, much progesterone or testosterone. So this is our downtime. And then as we go through the follicular phase, it starts to build. And then we get this peak of testosterone where our body wants to express and be outwards at ovulation. That lasts for 3 days. And then we're back again, getting lower and lower testosterone. Estrogen goes down a little bit, and then progesterone starts to rise. Progesterone, it calms down stress, and so that does go up. So we've got a bit more patience to do our things. So we have a completely different cycle. This is what I want to show you, is the difference in our energies and how many women are pushing through, trying to be the same, not getting the support that they need on those days when we simply just don't have much to give, not calling in the help then. So our bodies build, we get to a peak, and then we slow down, and then we need rest here. And so in that rest time, we release a lot of the stores in our body, and this is the time when we should also be renewing ourselves. So our energy is cyclical, 28.5-day cycle. It's not consistent over that 24 hours. Your nervous system is tired. You don't get very much sleep. That your body it holds on to stress. Your cortisol levels will be higher because you're not giving yourself what your female body needs to thrive. Our feminine, cyclical, rhythmic, responsive bodies, they're not built for a brutal pace. And I know that women, we've been fighting for so many rights to have a much more equal footing with men, and yet that has led us to override, and the depletion that follows is really not worth it. Constant output, the constant pressure, those 20 tabs open in our mind, that constant giving, constant noise, and that's where the brain fog will show up.